birthday to me!
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to me! Hey my loves, today's my birthday, 11/11 baby. I was totally enjoying myself inside. I forgot to vlog. That's what happens. I totally forget to vlog. But I'm carrying you guys with me. It's actually Friday night, so it's like early Saturday morning. My birthday is on Saturday. So we're going to the club, we're going to library to usher in the new age and see where that takes us. So let's go to the club. Mwah. I started celebrations yesterday, so I couldn't talk to you guys earlier today because I was hungover from last night. But we just got to Landmark Hotels. It's not bad. It's pretty okay. And I'm about to go down and do some sports and stuff at the beach. This is my outfit. OOTD, quick outfit. So I'm going to show you guys what this room looks like and then change into something breezy for the beach. So when you come in, just coming in, this is the bed, the mirror. So you get down here. I actually have food. I've not eaten since morning. So it takes you to the beach view. You guys, this is so pretty. This is the bathroom. So you have the shower and you have the bath. And then the toilets and all of that. And this is me. Yes, I'm so tired. But that is it. It's pretty easy and breezy. And then we have guys, I got my banana bread this morning. So we're actually gonna test it and make sure it is okay. It's actually huge. Huge. Test it and make sure it's okay. So we're gonna have the first, I hope it's moist enough. The first bite. Happy birthday to me. Yes, I look so stressed, but let's test this banana bread and make sure it's worth it. First bite to you, me. It's dry. But it's okay. Let's go downstairs. Guys, we're about to go quad biking. I have never driven anything in my life. Let's hope this is worth it. I'll be so tanned after this. God help me.
You're neutral. Press it now, let's go. That's the brake then. Take your hands off from here.
Guys, I can't see, but I just want you guys to know that I can't drive nothing. My lips are so dry. Where is my gloves? I can't drive nothing, you guys. Oh, the experience is nice. The sun here is so nice. We're going to jet ski right now. Let's have fun. I'm going to do this all by myself, I'm sure. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I'm having dinner at 788 by the sea. I left in such a rush, I couldn't show you guys my outfit at home. I didn't even do get ready with me for Instagram, but my outfit is so cute, you guys, and I'm loving the whole setting here. I'm loving the whole piano man doing his thing. I'll show you guys. Perfecto.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy